Good morning. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Our lesson now is phonics. So open your student's book, page 17, please. We are going to listen, read, and practice about the S sounds. Look here, please. Listen to me first, then we will discuss the rules for the S sound. Today is Lily's birthday. It comes by every year. Lily sings and dances and opens gifts, all while we are here. Today is Lily's birthday, a fun time she makes. She hurries up and opens her gifts before Ginny eats all the cake. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to read these sentences. Read them all, please. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the S sound rules. If we have words that end in P, T, K, and F, the sound of these letters, okay, we pronounce it as S, like wants, wants. We have T, wants. So we pronounce the S as S, wants. Okay, the next rule. If we have words that end in B, D, V, G, M, N, ing, L, R, and a vowel sounds, we pronounce the S as Z, Z, Z. Like, for example, enjoys, we have a vowel sound, enjoy. So we pronounce it as Z, enjoys. If we have the word open, opens, opens, it ends in letter N, opens. Okay, if we have words that end in S, Z, Sh, J, H sounds, we pronounce the S as is, like watch, watches, wash, washes, fix, fixes. Okay, let's go now to these exercises. You will listen first to the word, then you will circle the sound, and we will write the word here. Number 1, we have likes, likes. Write likes here. What is the sound of the S here? Likes. We have letter K. So the sound will be the S sound, like this. Circle this one. Let's go to number 2. We have gives, gives. Okay, it ends with the sound V. Give, gives. So it's Z, gives. Okay, number 3, we have watches, watches. It ends with the sound CH sound, like ich or ish, wo, sh or ich. Watches, watches. So it's is, watches. Number 4, it's looks, looks. Look, letter K at the end, the sound of letter K. Words that end in K we pronounce it as s, locks, like this. Okay, let's go to number 5. We have buys. Buys. We have the vowel sound at the end of the word, the vowel sound, buy. So we pronounce the S as Z, buys. The last one is wants. Wants. We have the letter T, T here. Look at this rule. If we have the sound of the letter T, we pronounce it as S also. S, wants, wants. Thank you very much.